Wanting a limited edition luxury homes with 2, 3 and 4 BHK? Then come to NYATI EQUINOX at Bavdhan Pune with limited edition homes. Watch this video till the end. Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel DHC New Homes. Today we are excited to take you on a virtual tour of this stunning flat in NYATI EQUINOX. It is in Bavdhan Pune. So if you are new and if you have not subscribed to our channel, then hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. And now let's dive in to this project. So before we head inside, let's take a quick look at the exteriors. So the architecture, landscaping and unique features make this project a beautiful one. So here we are inside the NYATI spacious flat. So this is the living room. The open floor plan creates a seamless flow into the dining area, making it a perfect one. The kitchen is where the culinary enthusiasts enjoy cooking. This is the balcony of the kitchen. Now moving further, we will be moving inside the bedroom of the house. So the bedroom is a perfect place to wind after a long day with a beautiful inbuilt bathroom, beautifully created with nice fittings and soothing atmosphere to just relax after a busy day at office. Now moving further to the common powder area of the house. So this is the common powder area of the house. As you can see, it is beautifully built up with simple and elegantly designed. This is the second bedroom of the house. You can see the second bedroom of the house with an inbuilt powder area. You can see the spacious bedrooms with the balcony inside the bedroom. The kitchen is provided with the stainless sink and the granite platform. We will be talking about the floor plans, as a 2 BHK has a carpet area of 838 square feet, 3 BHK has a carpet area of 1213 square feet and a 4 BHK has a carpet area of 2030 square feet. Prices starting from 87 lakhs for a 2 BHK, 1.37 CR for a 3 BHK and 2.35 CR for a 4. Some of the highlights of this project are, it is 29-story tower with world-class construction quality and has 40 world-class amenities, and there are 60% of open spaces. This area is called the Golden Triangle of Pune as it is easily connected to all parts of the city, to the metro station, Mumbai-Pune Expressway, Bangalore-Goa highway and 6-lane connectivity. Thank you.